What have you enjoyed about today?
It's been a networking event where we have met academia, it's met industry, it's brought the best of academia to industry in a way in which they've communicated in an understandable way on topics of interest to the biogas world, not just now, but to the future of biogas. And that's why we call it Beyond Biogas, because we're looking for innovation, for new ideas, and those new ideas have come across in this conference very, very strongly. Across the 2 days, we've been talking.
The quality of speakers, it's the expertise from across the planet who've all descended on Manchester. So I think there's great credit to ADNet to get everyone who's who in anaerobic digestion in one place.
First of all, it was the biggest conference we've had so far. Secondly, the networking opportunities were just amazing. But the key thing for me, coming from 30 years of development of this of the biogas process, was the sudden realization that we can add hydrogen to the waste product, if you like, the carbon dioxide in the biogas, and convert it into something like 95% methane. And this will be a step change in the development of anaerobic digestion and carbon storage and the smoothing of the renewable energy electricity production for the future. This is really big.
I was particularly taken by the presentations on the anaerobic treatment of wastewater, because that's going to be a real game changer for the developing countries. The developed countries is when we can have anaerobic wastewater treatment, which is energy neutral. In other words, because we know that the water industry is a huge consumer of electricity, particularly for aeration. And so if we can treat our wastewater in these ambient temperate climates using anaerobic treatment and with an energy balance, that is going to be a huge game changer for wastewater treatment.
It was particularly interesting to hear how the potential for modelling communities in anaerobic digestion and how that could potentially impact on improving things. I also was really interested in nitrogen stripping.
We have here a crowd of young people who now see that there is potential, that there is future, who can stand up, who have that credibility now in their potentials. And I think particularly that young group of people interacting with all those youngsters as we see them now all over Europe, coming forward and saying, our future has to be assured, we have to act now. That is generated in a conference like this, and this is of incredible value.